Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speedup tricks on NUBIA Neo 3 5G. Alright, first we can open up our settings and let's launch developer options first. To do it, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, scroll down again, and in here we have our build number. We need to tap on it until we get access into developer options. We can see that we are now a developer, and now select system, and in here we have developer options. In here we have 4 options that we can change to get some free speed. So keep scrolling down until you find, I'll show you which things exactly. Here are the first 3: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. You can see that all 3 of them are currently set on 1x. But to improve the speed, we can select each of the 3 options into completely off, or at least 0.5. Don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. When it comes to me, perfect balance between off and 1x is 0.5, so that's the option that I'm about to select, just like that. Now let's scroll down also a little until we find the apps, and now select background process limit, and you can select at most 3 or at most 4 processes. It's up to you. That's all when it comes to developer options. Okay, now if you have some apps that you're not currently using, it's always good to simply uninstall them. That is really easy process. Simply find the app right in here on your phone, hold on it, and then uninstall it. But be aware that some of those apps are the system apps, and uninstalling them is impossible. Don't even try to do it because something bad might happen. When it comes to uninstalling the apps, you can uninstall those apps that you have manually downloaded from the Play Store. Nothing wrong will happen with those apps, and to your phone, of course. Now let's open up the settings, and now let's go into apps from this place. And in some of the apps, it's possible to clear the cache. For example, I think it will be available in my case in the Chrome. Find storage and cache. You can see that I have some cache in my case, and we can clear it. Don't worry, it's not your personal data or anything. That is basically some junk files that are stacked, and clearing them is recommended. Don't worry, nothing wrong will happen to your data if you clear the cache. So that's the thing you can do. Okay, now from here we can open up the cleanup function, and now currently it says no need to clean up. If you'll be able to do it, you'll have a button right in here. I have no junk files or anything like that. If you'll be able to clean some junk files, for example, you can do it from this level of the cleaner app. Okay, also, if you are using your phone for a longer period of time, there's a chance that in the background, as you slide to the upside, that you have a lot of apps opened in the background. If you are not using those apps, simply manually close them just like that. Thanks to that, you'll free up the RAM of your phone, and your device might start working a little bit faster. Okay, and the last thing that I'm about to show you is how to perform a reboot of your device. Rebooting the phone regularly, for example, once a week, it's completely recommended. And for example, thanks to that we reboot our device, we can extend its lifespan, and also our phone can rest for a moment, and it can help with the performance. So to perform a reboot, we need to launch the power menu. We just need to hold the power button, just like that, and now simply tap on the restart. Then tap again. After that, your device will be turned off. Wait a few seconds, and the phone will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. Also, if you want, from the Play Store, you can download some third-party cleaning apps, also to organize the place on your, and organize the storage on your device. But be aware that before downloading anything, it's always good to see the reviews about the app and also the opinions of other users. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.